What is good, everybody? My name is Jay Markets, and today we're going to talk about zero spread trading on Deriv MT5, a new era of transparent pricing. All right. So, what is zero spread? All right. So, when you are trading, right, check on your brokers. For those who already have um, their brokers, if you check on your broker, right, and as you can see, most of the brokers, right, they have this big space between the bid line and the ask line, right? So this is the money that they will charge you each and every time when you execute on your trades. They take this money in between, right? That's what we call the difference between bid and ask, right? So now, why do we hate having brokers which have like these big separation of bid and ask, right? For example, if you would have sold from when the market was at this level 6348, 0.67348, if you had sold from this line, right, and you were executed from this zone, right, even if right now the market is trading at 67334, okay, which is 0.67334, you will be at $0 as is, right? Because the difference between the bid and ask is super wide, right? So you would have to wait for this line, right, to surpass the ask level, right? So, for example, if you sell the market at this zone, if you are executed at this level, right, at this exact same zone, right, and the market moves down to this zone, again you would be at $0 in profits. Why? Is because the bid and ask is super thick, right? So these are the bad brokers. Most of the brokers actually uh, especially in Africa, they have got this big wide spread, right? So you want to consider also trading with the brokers with tight spread. Now let me tell you the advantages of trading with the tight spread. So when you sell from here and the market moves up to this level, right? Now if you don't have if you are having a broker which doesn't have any spread, which is a zero spread, right, you'll be in profits. From this zone to this zone, you'll be in profit, right? This is what we call scalping. Scalpers usually they like to trade using a 1 minute time frame, so they sell and then maybe they take their profits right about there, just in after 1 minute or 5 minutes or after just a few minutes. That's scalping, right? And also high frequency trading is whereby if you, let's say the trade is at this zone as is, and then you sell, the moment the market just moves 1 point in profits, you're already in profit, right? Because this line won't be available, right? The ask line won't be available. You're having the bid and ask on the same level, right? Meaning that the bid and ask will be at the same zone. So when you sell and then the market goes just 1 point in profits, you are already in profits, right? So the frequency trading usually they really like, for example, they deposit $100 or even more, and then they analyze, and then maybe they sell, right? And then when the market goes 1 2 3 in profits, then they close all. They do what we call bulk operations. They close all positions that would be in profits. So with the zero spread, you need to realize that they charge you about $1 when you're doing high frequency trading, right? When you're doing high frequency trading, that's whereby you like you sell, you sell, or maybe you buy whatever. You just go in profits. So you close all the positions. They only charge you a $1 fee for doing high frequency trading, right? Because it's like almost like you are tricking the markets, because you are rigging at the end of the day. So most of the people who like to use zero spread, they are scalpers. They are high frequency traders. They are those people who use the bots, right? And even us, me, I'm a swing trader myself, but I just want to get executed exactly at the market price, right? For example, if I just say sell, and then the market just moves just about there, I'm already in profits. But in this scenario, right, most of your brokers, just check on your brokers that you already use. So if you don't have a broker, I'll just put the link in the description below. You can just open, choose any server, okay, and then the leverage is 1:1,000. Right, just choose 1:1,000. Choose any server, whether it's UK or SA, whatever. It's just easy to open a demo account or a real account, by the way. So as I was saying, in this scenario, when you sell from here and then the market is maybe, let's say, is now trading at this zone, you'd be at zero profit because the ask would be at this zone, and this zone, the ask level, this line, the ask level would be at this current bid price, right? Then the bid price would be exactly at that zone, right? So it takes, as you can see, it takes time for you to be in profits, right? So now let's go to the official page of Deriv, right? And then let's just listen to the advantages of using a zero spread trading on Deriv MT5, right? So before we get into that, I just want to show you something. As you can see with this broker, you get to trade Forex, major pairs, minor pairs, metals, energies, crypto, stocks indices, basket indices, right? You've got boom and crash, right? Now, this is the only broker, by the way, which has um, more instruments that are not in any other brokers, such as all those volatility indices. So, if you want to trade a 24 moving hour markets, right, which means that your trades are always open 24/7, right? Now you'll be trading volatility indices, right? These are very fast, right? Most of them, they're very fast, more than Nasdaq, more than S&P 500. They're really volatile. This is how I flip all those $10 to $100 in few minutes, in few hours, in few days or so. You know what I'm saying? So um, really consider trading volatilities indices. My favorite one is volatility 75. Volatility, this is my favorite ones. And volatility 100. Okay, volatility 100 1S, volatility 50. Okay, volatility 50 1S. And volatility 75 straight. Okay, there's a difference between volatility 75 index straight and then there's volatility 75 1S, right? So this is my favorite. Okay, now we also have step index. Step index is very volatile as well. I like this pair, so I make money with it very quickly. Then there's also range breaks. I've never traded these before. Just put a link. Just comment down below if you've once traded range breaks before. But I've never traded these ones before. I think I'm content with these volatile markets, right? There's also jump indices, right? There's jump 10, jump 25. All these ones are moving. They're very volatile. The markets which moves very fast, right? And then they operate 24/7, right? From jump to all the way down there. These markets move 24/7, right? Unlike the currencies operate Monday to Friday, right? So, but these ones really, even during the weekends, you can still trade, right? There's also crash, boom, and crash. You can also trade these ones. Also, they are very volatile and also tradable with just small amount of money if you want. Just use the smallest lot size on these ones. And they also are operational 24/7, right? And you can also trade stocks, okay? Australian 200, German 40, S&P 35, all these ones, guys. UK 100, all these guys. US Tech. Now, US Tech 100, that's Nasdaq, guys. That's Nasdaq. Imagine trading Nasdaq's, an instrument which moves very quickly, but also with a zero spread account, right? This is amazing, guys, because Nasdaq is very quickly. Imagine if you were trading Nasdaq, guys. Come on, and with the leverage of 1:1,000, meaning that, hey man, okay, let me just stop talking, let me just play, and let's get it.
Deriv is excited to introduce the Zero Spread account, now available on the powerful Deriv MT5 platform. Trade your favorite financial assets and synthetic indices, and experience a new level of transparency and cost effectiveness. What does zero spread mean for you? Zero spread trading means there's no difference between the buying, ask, and selling, bid, prices of an asset. With no spread to factor in, your trades are executed closer to the market price, giving you greater control over your entry and exit points. That means you can get the price you want with zero spread. You buy or sell at prices as close as possible to the market price, not a slightly worse price due to the spread. Enter and exit trades faster because there's no spread to wait for. Your trades can be executed instantly at the market price, allowing for quicker reactions to price movements. This particularly benefits high-frequency traders, scalpers, and those using automated trading strategies. Deriv MT5, your zero-spread trading hub. Step into zero spread trading with Deriv MT5. Our advanced platform offers a seamless, intuitive experience loaded with the tools you need to analyze markets, execute trades, and manage risk effectively. Deriv MT5 offers a wide range of synthetic and financial instruments for zero spread trading, with access to major and minor Forex pairs, commodities, stock indices, and more. You can maximize your trading potential with leverage of up to 1,000. Whatever your trading preferences, you'll find ample opportunities on Deriv MT5. Why choose Deriv for zero spread trading? Reduce trading costs, eliminate spread costs, and potentially increase your profitability. Transparent pricing. Gain direct access to market prices for precise trade execution. Fixed commissions, not spreads. Enjoy predictable trading costs with fixed commissions, regardless of market volatility. No spread widening during volatility. Trade confidently, knowing your costs won't increase unexpectedly during volatile market conditions. Embrace the future of trading with Deriv's Zero Spread account. Experience transparent pricing, predictable costs, and an intuitive trading experience on Deriv MT5. Open your Zero Spread account today and explore all the opportunities that await you. Important note, trading involves risk, and the Zero Spread account is not suitable for all traders. Developing a sound trading strategy is crucial before engaging in zero spread trading.